Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready. Confirm your Android phone and Roku TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and that both devices are updated. Once done, enable screen mirroring on the Roku through Setting System Screen Mirroring so it can accept connections. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Android sometimes uses Bluetooth to speed discovery. Now that discovery is enabled on both devices, move to your phone and open the casting option to begin pairing. On your Android, pull down Quick Settings or go to Settings Connected Devices Cast. Tap the device list and select the Roku TV name when it appears. You may see it listed under Smart View, Cast, or Wireless Display depending on the phone. When you tap it, your Roku might show a prompt. Accept that on the TV to allow the connection. Choose to mirror your whole screen if you want full display mirroring, or use supported apps built-in cast buttons for video streaming instead. To finish, stop casting from your Android Quick Settings or the app's cast control when you're done, and confirm the TV returns to its previous input. If you notice lag, audio sync issues, or incompatible apps, consider a wired MHL/HDMI adapter as a fallback for stable playback. If the Roku doesn't appear, restart the router, Roku, and your phone. This clears network hiccups. If problems persist, recheck that both devices are on the same SSID and that screen mirroring is allowed in your Roku settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.